This is Miss White with walkandrelax.net. Sit with me for a moment. I have a message for you. But first, reminder, tell someone you love them today. It will brighten someone's day and make them feel worthy of being alive. So my message today to you is work hard in silence and let your success make the noise. See, because in a culture now where we often feel the need to broadcast every achievement, we might forget the power of the quiet dedication and strength of letting results speak for themselves. And with that, I tell you, you can build a building, you can work on a car, you can make all A's in school, but you don't have to do it where you have to publicize to everything to everyone. You can do it where you're doing those achievements, but you can also keep your mouth closed because you know you're winning and you're working hard. So work hard in silence. Let that make a noise. That'll tell people like, hey, this dude can do this, and we never knew anything about it. Because working hard in silence is about commitment to our goals, and regardless of the recognition, our applause, we seek. So it's about countless hours spent perfecting our craft when no one is watching. You could do it. You could do it in silence. Nobody's watching you. You're doing it at your own time, your own leisure, and you're perfecting your craft. Now about success, we will finally achieve our goals. And when we do, that's when you give the praise. That's when you make noise. Because I tell you, true success generates its own sound. It's that simple.
The big, shiny, really big watch. Classic corporate power move. But the real power move? Having next level control of shipments across your supply chain.
Mark, do you mind?
FedEx, the new power move.
Advertising creates impressions. Impressions create brand recognition. Get your product and service in front of an audience. Because sometimes that's why people buy it. They see it. They hear about it. They believe it. And they buy it.
FedEx, the new power move.